Hey, what's up everybody? If you've got an old wagon in your basement or out in your garage, check this video out. Hopefully it can inspire you to kind of renovate it as the wagon you see here. We painted the sides a brilliant fire truck red and obviously sealed it up with an external polyurethane as well. Now the sides, we just put a different color stain, a lighter color stain on it, and the bottom, the floor here you can see is a dark kind of walnut colored. Now, obviously, before you put any stain on, you're going to want to just clean the heck out of it. And that's exactly what happened with this particular wagon. It was cleaned up really, really well, brushed, scrubbed, all that old dirt, all that, and sanded down. And you're going to want to take everything off. Here's a look at the underside. All those metal rods were removed. They were rusty, so they had to be scrubbed and scraped with a wire brush, and then sealed up, painted with some black spray paint. And some rust inhibitor as well. Here, look at the wheels. These are the original wheels. Of course, they were taken apart and cleaned up really well also. And the handle was spray painted black. And that's all there is to it. Obviously, a big job in a quick video, but hopefully inspirational nonetheless. Thank you so much. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it.